Today we're going to be talking about the first step in getting started with recipes, which is creating your recipe types. So this is going to be found under the Recipe tab in Setup, and you'll go ahead and click this button, Manage Recipe Types. So this is going to be like your table of contents. So however your menu is set up is how you would set up these recipe types. Now, there's 3 different types of recipe types you can set up. You can set up bar items, menu items, and prepared items. An example of some recipe types for bar items could be cocktails, specialty cocktails, old school cocktails. Examples of menu items would be things like appetizers, sandwiches. So in this case, this would be how your menu would set up in those different sections you have. For prepared items, this is going to be categories where you have multiple things of. So for example, if you create different kinds of bar syrups, you may want to create a bar syrup category. Or maybe you make different kinds of dressings in-house, ranch, blue cheese, honey mustard, for example. So you would want to then create a prepared item category called dressings. To create these recipe types, it's fairly simple. You'll just go ahead and click on this button, Add a new recipe type. You'll go ahead and type in the name of the category. So you can say house cocktails, for example. And you'll go ahead and make that a bar item, and you would click Save. Same idea with a menu item. Maybe you have an appetizer section on your menu. That would be a menu item. And as I stated earlier, maybe you have different types of dressings that you make in-house. So that would be a dressing recipe type, and that would be a prepared item.